Hey guys, Stancy here again. Um, I'm here to share a quick tip with you guys on how to make any of your samples with extra tail get locked in, like tight. So I have this drum. So this is what I'm trying to talk about. I have this drum here. This tom, sorry, this tom. So if you listen carefully, you'll notice that it has an extra tail after the initial attack. After the initial strike, it has extra tail. So let's say for example you don't want the extra tail, you just want it to just hit and just fade immediately. So what you do is you blow out your out knob, you just do this to it and just watch the wave and see what happens when I'm rolling it out. See, it locks in, it just fade off every extra rooms, just fade it off. And when you do that, you have this. Before now we have this, now we have this. So let's say you don't want to use this trick, so you can then come to this knob and then let me reset everything here. It's okay. So when you come here, normally this envelope will be off, so you put it on, you drop your attack, so it affects it immediately. Then you drop your sustain, and then your release, and then the decay, we lock it in. So now we have this. See, before now we have this, now we have this. So I hope this tip is helpful to you. Please share and follow me up for more tips. Thank you.